Hi, Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 10th. Hope you are fine. As you all know that I have already told you and explained you the question number first of real numbers, and today I came with you with question number third. It is show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So we have to show any positive integer that should be in this very form 3m or 3m plus 1. So we will show it with the help of Euclid's division lemma. So let's go and start to solve this question. First we will take let a be any positive integer. We will take a as any positive integer. Then after that we will use Euclid's division lemma. As I have already told you and discussed you about that very lemma, and we know Euclid's division lemma, that's called use Euclid's division lemma. That is a equal to bq plus r. As we have to show 3m or 3m plus 1, it's any positive integer. So remember, यहाँ पे आप याद रखो ये जो b है ना, we will just put b is equal to put 3. b को मैंने किसके बराबर किया? 3 के बराबर किया. As I have to show it in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. जब b को मैंने 3 के बराबर किया तो possible remainders जो होते हैं, remainders we will get remainders 0, 1, 2. Remember, whenever we have b 3, 4, 5, we will get remainders 1 less than that number. Suppose we have, if we have the b equal to 5, we will take remainders from 0 to 4. These things you should remember. So we put b equal to 3 and remainder is 0, 1, 2. So we just give the values of r in this very lemma, and we will prove this in this form. So if r equal to 0, if r equal to 0, a equal to bq, b means 3, that's equal to 3q plus 0, okay, which implies that a equal to 3q. As we have to show that any square of any positive integer, तो यहाँ पे हमें squaring करनी है. Squaring both sides, squaring both sides we get. So it will be equal to a square equal to 3q square, okay, which implies that it means it is 2 times. So it will be equal to 3 into 3 into q square, okay, which implies that 3 को हम यहाँ पे 2 3 दोनों में से हम एक कॉमन लेंगे, ये होगा 3 into 3q square, which implies that ये जो 3 है इसको हम ऐसे ही लेंगे और 3q square का नाम हम रखेंगे m. So is it clear? Where ये यहाँ पे लिखो where m is equal to 3q square. So the first one is proved. We just proved 3q square, that's called 3 into 3, and we take here common 3 and we just give the name 3q square as m, and this is 3m. The first one is clear. You can write it on your notebook or you can take it a screenshot. Okay. Now we get 3m when we put the value of r equal to 0 in Euclid's division lemma. Now we will give if r equal to 1, as we have to prove another one, that's 3m plus 1. If r equal to 1, that is a equal to 3q plus 1. Same here. Now we will do another, again squaring. Squaring both sides we get. अब हम यहाँ पे स्क्वायरिंग करेंगे. सेम वही प्रोसीजर जो मैंने उसमें लगाया है जब हमने और का वैल्यू 0 लगाया है. तो यहाँ पे आएगा ये ए स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 3q प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर। तो यहाँ पे आपने पता होनी चाहिए, हमने 8th में भी पढ़ा है, 9th में भी पढ़ा है, a plus b का whole square. As we can use that formula here, it is 3q plus 1 whole square. We can use a plus b whole square. As we know, it's equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Same procedure we can take here. It is 3q plus 1 whole square. That equal to 3q square. a square means 3q square प्लस 2 इंटू ए के पहले हम लिखेंगे 3q इंटू बी के पहले हम लिखेंगे 1 इंटू 1 प्लस बी स्क्वायर मीन दैट इज 1 स्क्वायर. Okay, I just use formula here, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now 3q square means 3 is 2 times, it is 3 3s are 9q square plus 2 3s are into 1, that is equal to 6q प्लस 1 इंटू 2 टाइम्स दैट विल बी 1. अब यहाँ पे देखो, जो वेरिएबल वाले हैं जिनके साथ क्यू है इनको हम ब्रैकेट में रखेंगे. इट विल बी इक्वल टू 9q स्क्वायर प्लस 6q, और जो कांस्टेंट 1 है इसको हम साइड में रखेंगे. ओके, अब देखो यहाँ पे हम 3 कम ले सकते हैं, बिकॉज वी हैव 9 एंड 9 कम्स इन द मल्टीप्लाइज ऑफ 3. वी हैव 6 एंड 6 कम्स इन द मल्टीप्लाइज ऑफ 3. सो वी टेक 3 कॉमन हियर. तो यहाँ पे आएगा 3q स्क्वायर प्लस 2q प्लस 1. ओके, विच इम्प्लाइज दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 3. यहाँ पे जो 3q स्क्वायर प्लस 2q, आई जस्ट टेक इट एज m प्लस 1. सो आई हैव प्रूव्ड अनदर वन, दैट्स 3m प्लस 1. यहाँ पे लिखो साथ में, वेयर m इक्वल टू 3q स्क्वायर प्लस 2q. तो यहाँ पे ये हमारा क्लियर हुआ है. विद द हेल्प ऑफ इक्विलेटरल डिवीजन लेमा, we have shown that any square of any positive integer is in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. तो यहाँ पे आप लिखो, this shows that square of any positive integer is of the form that is 3m or 3m plus 1. So it was question number 3 of real numbers. It's solved. Hope you have got it. Thank you. Have a nice day, and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get my latest videos.